Hi, this is Dr. Jonathan Huber. I'm one of the partners at Toronto Hair Transplant Surgeons. I'm coming at you today with another explainer, this time with the question, is a hair transplant permanent? Okay, so this is one of the most common questions I get, and it's a great question because you're considering making an investment in your hair with a hair transplant. So you want to know, is this permanent? How long is this going to last? Is this something I'm going to need to do again in the future? So the short answer to that question is yes, a hair transplant is permanent. It's not the whole answer, and we'll get into that in a second. But let's think about how a hair transplant works. What we're doing is we're harvesting hair from your donor area. That's the hair that you find at the sides and back of your head. And let's take a look at some famous people who have a lot of hair loss. Think about Patrick Stewart. He played Jean-Luc Picard in the Star Trek series. Think about Jason Alexander. He played George Costanza in Seinfeld. Think maybe about Prince William. All those men have some pretty significant hair loss, but what you'll notice about them is they all still have hair in their donor area. That's that area at the sides and back of their head. That hair is considered to be genetically permanent. We don't really know why, but for whatever reason, it's protected from hair loss. And when we do a hair transplant, that's exactly what we're trying to leverage. We take that hair, which is genetically programmed to be permanent, and we move it from a place where you don't need as much of it, like the sides and back of your head, to a place where you need more of it. And when we put it somewhere where you need more of it, it maintains that genetic permanence, and so the transplanted hair is permanent. Now, what's not permanent is the hair that you still have on top of your head, the pre-existing hair you have going into a hair transplant. That hair might be susceptible to ongoing hair loss. So while you're considering a transplant, you might want to also consider taking steps through other means like non-surgical therapies to help protect that hair and keep that hair. Why take a step forward with a transplant when you're also going to take a step back by losing some of your existing hair? If you want to understand more about this process or how we incorporate those things into your overall hair restoration, please schedule a consultation at www.torontohairtransplant.com.